Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Ishrat Jahan, your science teacher of class 2. I'm here again with the explanation of chapter 13, Light and Shadow part 2. Before starting the explanation, I'd like to remember you all the do's and don'ts to fight against the pandemic virus COVID-19. We should always remember this virus is highly contagious. So, we all should wash our hands at least 7 to 8 times in a day. We should drink warm water with lemon or ginger every time. You can add some honey if you want. We all should gargle with warm water. Also, don't forget to wash your eyes and face and consume enough food which provides vitamin C and D to develop your immunity system. In my last video, I showed you some pictures of food which provides us vitamin C and D. Now students, let's start today's topic, light and shadow. As in our previous discussion, we came to know that sun is the main source of light. We can't see any object without the help of light. So that we can't see anything at dark, but only with the help of light we can see the objects. Though sun is the main source of light, but there are other sources of light which help us to see objects in the darkness. As for example, tube light, table lamp, bulb, torchlight, and even sometimes we use charger light too. Let's see some of the pictures of lights. See, there's a tube light, bulb, table lamp, torchlight, charger light as well. Now, our next topic is shadow. What is shadow? In your book, it's saying a shadow is a dark patch formed when a thing does not let light pass through it. It means a shadow is a dark shape that is formed when an object blocks a source of light. Okay, let me clarify. A shadow is the dark shape made when something blocks light from a light source, like the sun, a flashlight, or campfire. So, hope you all are clear about shadow. See the picture. A boy is standing here and we can see his shadow also. Well, I think a small question may arise in your mind now, and that is, how are shadows formed? Let me solve your tiny question. Shadows are formed when light encounters an object when it cannot pass through and thus get blocked. Just because the light became blocked, the area behind it will be in darkness, which we call a shadow. And remember, a shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Hope you got all the answers now. At the end of this class, I have an interesting information for you. Do you know that there are certain insects which give off light? They are often called glowworms. In Bengali, we call it like Jonaki Poka. This insect glow like a fairy light at night. Easily we can find those in villages. Here are the pictures of glowworm for you. Here's a glowworm. Hope all my angels are going to have a sweet dreams with thousands of glowworms with new hope. That's all for today. Hope you will follow the rules to protect yourself from COVID-19. Stay home and always stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much.